something about the world that we live in, where we see lights in the on hoardings, and the life that is promised to us by the malls, and the glamour of sort of a promised life, and the journey that we have to make to get there and to be able to afford that lifestyle. So yeah, it's I don't want to say much more. Watch the film and then
I would say it's sounding really very interesting, and without keeping any delay, without waiting any further, can we have the AV of third screening, please? Come on. So are we ready? Gulshan Divya. And yes, our director, Jaideep Singh. I request all of you kindly be seated on the dais, please.
अरे स्टील हेलो सुन लो Wait,
okay.
The video.
Okay. Yes. I request all of you kindly be seated, please. Yes. Okay. Okay, can we have some volunteers to do the needful? It's awesome, it's fantastic. I would say that even the acting was really good. I would say it was very realistic. I really enjoyed it, and I'm sure I'm going to watch once again, and I'm going to inform this to my friends also. Once again, can we hear for them? Come on, they really did a fantastic job. Okay. Okay, before we move on to the media, Konkana, yes. I request you to, please, yes. Ma'am, can you just tell us how was your experience while working with this movie? Can you just tell us?
First of all, thanks everyone for watching. We're very excited about this film because we're just a bunch of friends who are working together. A brunch of friends having brunch and working together. And Joydeep and I actually have known each other since college. Tilottama and I are friends. Gulshan and I don't unfortunately have any scenes, but we have common friends. So it was really like, it was a very fun atmosphere on set. It was something that also even the person who wrote it, was part of our friend circle. There were informal discussions. It felt like a very easy kind of a camaraderie, very easy collaboration between all of us, because there was no room for, oh, I don't agree with this, but how do I tell him? Or, in that sense, there was no awkwardness. There was a certain honesty, a certain basic implicit trust. So that really helped.
Thank you so much for such a beautiful answer. Tilottama, can you answer the same? Come on. How was your experience while working?
Great, yeah. I mean, I would say the same as Coco. I mean, we are friends, and I get to play a copycat, which is so I just had to follow the cue, and from friends, and so it was lovely.
And what about you, Rishi?
Joydeep said that I'd be playing the main role. So I said immediately. I said yes. Yeah. So he said, "Are you free?" I said, "I'm free." Yeah. Like, okay. Will you do the main role in my film? I said, "Yeah, sure." So that's how he. Yeah, but honestly, to be truthful, he said that Konkona and Tilottama are in the movie, and I've been a huge admirer of their work. And, in particular, Tilottama, I've really tried to work with her before on other occasions, but unfortunately, none of those really worked out. So I saw it as an opportunity for me to sort of work with an actor who I like and admire. So it was a very small thing, but I really had a good time working with her, and she's a fabulous actress. I have a tremendous amount of respect for her, and I'm so happy to have done the same too.
That was really a wonderful answer. Sir, how was your experience working with all these talented actors?
So they're all friends, and actually the story sort of took shape on an evening when Tilottama and I were sitting and chatting, and we've always wanted to work with each other. And in fact, Konkana and I had done a play 14 years ago, Girish Karnad's hair mother in college, and after that, we haven't worked together. So, working with her after 14 years was pretty much the same experience in that sense. And, you know, she's done so many movies, and she's, you know, been recognized and acknowledged across various platforms. But even after that, when we were working together, when we were doing the readings and all of that, it was so exciting, and the nervousness was still the same. It felt like we were back in college, and it was great fun. And with Tilotama and Gulshan, of course. And the great thing is that, you know, we're all friends, and you rarely come across that kind of an energy and that kind of a sort of, you know, atmosphere where we can tell each other, like Pankana said, honestly what we feel about each other. And I think that has translated very well on screen.
Oh, that's really nice. Thank you so much, all of you, for the wonderful answers. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we can have a group bites now. For one-to-one interview, kindly get in touch with Abhiya Sabina. Okay? So once again, thank you so much for being a lovely audience. Enjoy the snacks also, which has been served outside. And definitely see you next time with this. Yeah, Patel. Thank you.
Excuse me?
Ma'am, you.
Can we have lights please? At the stage, lights.
Ma'am, you. Ma'am, you. Ma'am, you.
All one-on-one request. Could you please come this side?
Avoid डाल दिए. Thank you. Yeah.
Hello?
First of all, we would like to know about the last story, that what is all about, basically.
I don't know actually because I haven't seen the film. I came a little bit late. So I'd really like to, sorry, I'm giving you the honest answer. So I think it's an interesting story between the two women and the kind of relationships and how you assume people to be a certain way and how you get caught up with, you know, aspirations of trying to be somebody else and all that. So there are lots of these interesting layers in this, and there is a sort of a shocking twist in the end. So I had a very small part to play in it, which I really thoroughly enjoyed because I got to work with Tilotama. And I've been, I mean, ever since her first movie came out, I think Monsoon Wedding. I saw you first in Monsoon Wedding. I thought she was phenomenal. And once I got to know her, I was really happy that she's my friend. And I've really tried to work with her. But so this was a nice, really sweet little opportunity for me to do something really nice. Chota sa kuch. So I'm happy. Hopefully we'll get to do a full-fledged film someday. That would be
I
nice.
think we created the cause for it with this one. Hopefully.
We created the cause for
Yeah,
it.
I think the seed is sown because Gulshan's a very, very exciting, I think has a really exciting presence which lends itself in various parts that he's played with just great versatility. So I was really kicked that I got to work with him. And in a way, he is the meeting with him in the film is in the climax of the film and something that my character is eagerly waiting for. And Konkana's character is also very invested in how this meeting plays out. So Gullu is actually being very humble, but he is very keen.
I practice my humility a lot.
Yeah, he does. He did.
Alright, if you talk about your role, it's quite simple. So, a little brief about your role in the role.
I think life is simple, yeah, and you know, the character is someone. I relate to her in her desire to, for a few moments, to be someone else. And I think while we all may have varying degrees of how we feel about ourselves, and you know, there are days you feel good about who you are, and there are days you feel like, who is this person? And in those days, I think it's very normal for us to to have felt ki what would it be like to be someone else for a day, maybe for a few hours, and that aspiration to be something else, someone else, somewhere else. I think that's something that I could relate to. And it was great fun that the someone else that I was trying to be was played by Konkana, who's a dear friend. And so it was great to pick up mannerisms and characteristics and tics which I could, emulate. So it was good fun.
टॉकिंग अबाउट योर कैरेक्टर एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे एक थोड़ा बड़ा रोल अगर
नहीं मुझे बिल्कुल पता था कि ये छोटा शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट ही होने वाला है और बस ये मौका हाथ से जाने नहीं देना चाह रहा था मैं कि अगर कोंकणा के साथ भी एक सीन मिल जाता तो अच्छा रहता, बट कहानी ऐसी नहीं है तो खैर किसी और टाइम कर लेंगे। बट मैं बैंगलोर शहर से हूँ, वहाँ पे तो टेकी मतलब सारे टेक्नोलॉजी पार्क सब वहाँ पे है, तो टू प्ले अ टेकी फ्रॉम बैंगलोर वाज लाइक आई थिंक माई पेरेंट्स विल बी रियली हैप्पी, चलो तो कहीं तो कुछ इंजीनियर बनना मेरा बेटा एटलीस्ट ऑन स्क्रीन। सो but I knew it was going to be a short role and I thoroughly enjoyed it and I have no hassles doing such things as long as I'm enjoying them. So.
अगर हम आपसे बात करें तो कोई रोल प्ले करते में डिफिकल्टी फेस हुई या फिर एकदम सिंपल रोल प्ले करना हाउ डिफिकल्ट और हाउ इजी इट इज फॉर यू?
I think the difficulty is always in finding the sur of the character, because it's not about how simple or what she's saying, or it's about finding. And for me, I knew that there was something inherent in this woman that is comedic, but it's not about being funny. It's about just being in the moment so honestly that something of the child in her expresses itself. And so for me it was really exciting because I never get cast for light-hearted, fun roles. I get cast for serious, intense, like people are dying, I'm being raped, killed, those kind of parts. So for me this was like taking refuge in playing a character with lighter notes, with a sense of celebration about life, wanting to risk, sense of adventure, and crossing the line, transgressing, going and meeting this amazing man, and so there was that sense of romance which I don't usually get to explore. So the difficulty was in thinking how I would do that, being who I am, but once we started and in our rehearsals, I found something in our walk actually, and then everything.
So what's next after this particular project?
What's next is Anoop Singh's next film, Mantra, where I have a small part and which is hopefully something that's going to push me further. I'm workshopping with Anoop right now for that, and I'm currently part of Rajat Kapoor's workshop where he's workshopping Macbeth. So again, first half of the day and the second half of the day is really throwing myself into scenarios that I've never put myself in. So I think Nayanthara's Necklace and everything that's come after that this year in terms of work has been really about pushing myself to not take myself seriously, and I think it's reflecting in the kind of work that I'm getting, which are thankfully slightly in the comedic and celebratory zone. So I'm very, how that change happens, right?
Yeah.
From you keep getting a certain kind of
it's very
typecast,
refreshing,
so suddenly you're put in a
it's a sigh
situation
of relief,
where
like something
that
different.
I don't have to be intense, I just have to be relaxed and joyful in this. So that's
Super.
it.
So Gulshan, what about you? What's next?
Oh, I'm currently filming this film called Cabaret with me and Richa in it. It's a new director, Kaustav Neogi. It's being produced by Pooja Bhatt and T-Series and Waves. So I'm in between schedules. Today I had a day off, so I came here to be with them. So, and another film called Love Affair with Soni Razdan. So these are the two that I have on hand right now that I can talk about.
Super. Thank you.
I also wanted to say that Gulshan is an extremely talented actor and he's very secure about who he is, which is why this whole question about it's a small role and have you thought about it, and I feel when you're really sure of who you are, I don't think you get affected by these things. I really admire that about him, and I think it's a really important thing to have.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Cheers.
Nayanthara Necklace. So
Okay.
a little about it.
Well, it's a film about the friendship between two characters. Konkona is playing Nayanthara and Tilottama is playing Alka. It's a 20-minute short film about their friendship, and Gulshan Devaya has a special appearance in the film. And I don't want to give away too much more than this because I want you to watch the film.
Yeah, it was so interesting playing friends with somebody who you're already friends with, but a completely different. The nature of this friendship is completely different, and even for me, the part that I played was so different from what I am in real life that I was quite out of my comfort zone. But the quality of that friendship had some very interesting layers to it, you know. Of people, you know, not being necessarily comfortable with their own skin, how much of friendship is actually, you know, performative, and what you get out of role playing. These are very interesting things which came up, you know, when we were shooting, rehearsing, etc.
Alright. So when did you start thinking that we have to make such kind of film, a short film, as a Nayanthara Necklace? When did you start thinking?
With the idea for this film, in 2012, I read a news article, and the idea was sort of brewing in my head. And then I sort of, you know, wrote it with a friend, Ankur Khanna and Aparna Singh. And Tilottama and I also sort of discussed the idea, and we shot it last year. And now it's here, yeah. So it's a 20-minute film, but it's been a journey making it. It's been a bit of a long journey making it.
So if I ask Konkona that, what's your first reaction that when Jagdish sir told you that I'm casting you for this short film?
I was like, yeah, let's do it. When? Come on, it'll be fun. We've done plays together in the past. We've known each other actually for, you know,
Very
since
long.
1998.
Yeah.
We've known each other.
Yeah.
So, and we anyway are friends. Anyway, we talk and discuss things and hang and laugh and etc.
And it's very rare that you get to work with friends who you can sort of, you know, just even the work atmosphere on set is like a party. So it was, and I think it's very important to have fun making whatever you're making, whether it's a feature film or a short film or whatever. So I think we lucked out in that sense.
Yeah, and
you know?
also it's nice to work with people who you can, you know, have some kind of camaraderie with, who you basically trust, you know, who you know are decent people, who are not gonna like dupe you, or you know, if you have some reservations, you can discuss it. So you know, it makes for a more kind of convivial set atmosphere.
So if you talk about your upcoming projects, so tell us something about.
There's a film called Lipstick Wali Sapne, directed by Alankrita Srivastav, which is a Prakasha production. It's it's about 4 women in Bhopal whose lives intersect. So I play a traditional Muslim lady who has kind of a secret life, which is interesting. And the other film is a film called Akira, which is Sonakshi Sinha, Mr. Murgados directing that film.
So when are we going to see that over big screen? So
Sorry?
When is it releasing?
Yeah.
I don't know exactly, but I'm sure you'll find out.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Oh, it's
You are beginning to see.
Stunning.
Thank you.
I mean, किस तरह से ये जो किरदार है आपका और it is shaped?
Actually मुझे दूसरी रोल करनी थी बिकॉज आई आइडेंटिफाई विद दैट रोल मोर. मुझे लगा कि मैं सूट ज़्यादा करूँगी, लेकिन ये डायरेक्टर जो है ना, जयदीप सरकार, मेरी बहुत पुरानी दोस्त है. I know him since 1998 because we were in college, and we've done plays together. He was a year senior to me. He's directed a play that I acted in. So we've had a good relationship for a long time. We've been great friends. And he said, Nini, you have to do this particular part. And she's a very wannabe kind of a character. She dresses in a very particular way. She talks in a particular way and chill vibes and all. It's not at all like me. So they only put together the whole look. And I just went along like an obedient actress. Actually, we are already great friends. Tilottama, anyway, we are neighbors, we are good friends, we anyway meet a lot. So now to play friends, it was interesting because we are not friends like this, like how you saw in film. We are different. The nature of our friendship is different than the nature of the friendship depicted in the film. And in the film, it's very interesting because Tilottama's character wants to be like my character, and my character herself is not comfortable in her own skin. She wants to be something else. You know, so there are all these layers happening of wannabe.
So when Jenny came in for you with this particular script, what was his reaction?
I said I want to play the other part, and he was like, no, you have to play this one. You'll be good in this or whatever. So I said, okay, fine. Then we did some rehearsals, we did some look tests. I was very excited. I wanted to work with him. Anyway, I think he has a lot of talent, and I think he's going to make great films. Anyway, I think he has a lot of talent, and I think he's going to make really good films. I'm waiting for him to make a feature-length film, actually.
We talked to Gulshan actually, उनको काम करना था आपके साथ in this particular short film.
नहीं, लेकिन हमारे तो एक साथ scenes ही नहीं है. But
He wanted to work with you in this particular film.
yeah, I would love to work with him, but I've seen some of his work. He's a lovely actor, but unfortunately in this film, though, we had no thing together. But maybe in future. Thank you. Okay.
Recent release Talwar box office set.
I take all the credit. Everyone's. No, I feel very grateful to be like, you know, to even a small part of something so big and so powerful and something that one can be proud of. I feel really grateful and happy about that.
Super, man. Thank you so much.